Okay, folks, we're going to do one more day of just reviewing our basic inequalities and what inequalities like this mean, right? We have our greater than symbols and our less than symbols, and we should know by now that when you have something like this, there are an infinite number of solutions for an inequality like this. This says that x is greater than negative 2. So any number bigger than negative 2 would be a solution to that. 0, 1, 2, 3, anything. Right? So since there's an infinite number of solutions, we have been talking about how we graph the solutions so we can show where they are, because you can't list them out. So the way we've been doing this is you start by drawing out a number line and make sure that this number is somewhere on that number line. And so negative 2, I find negative 2, and I'm always going to put a dot on that number. So for negative 2, I'm going to put a dot on negative 2, but since there is no equal sign, the dot is an open dot. Right? Remember that if there's no equal sign, it's an open dot because negative 2 is not a solution. If there is an equal sign, like in this one down here, then the dot is colored in. So we put a dot over negative 2 that is open, and where are the numbers greater than negative 2? To the right or to the left? That's what we have to decide. So the numbers get bigger on the number line to the right. So since it's greater than, you are going to draw a line and shade to the right. So this graph is showing all the numbers that are greater than negative 2. Right? So this is going to be the correct graph for that inequality. Now down here, we have x is less than or equal to 4. So we want to show all the numbers that are less than or equal to 4. So again, I drew out a number line. I made sure 4 was on it. And now I'm going to put a dot on 4. But since there is an equal sign underneath the inequality symbol, the dot that I put on 4 is going to be colored in. So a colored in dot on 4. And then where are the numbers less than 4? To the left or to the right? The numbers are less over here, right? So I will draw an arrow, shade in to the left. This is showing where all the numbers that are less than or equal to 4 are. Starting at 4, closed in dot, and to the left. Okay? Let's do a couple more just to make sure. Because last time I gave you some inequalities that look like this. We call that an interval, a double inequality. And we talked about what this was meaning, right? And what this means is x is between 3 and 8. So we want to show all the numbers between 3 and 8. So I'm going to draw a number line out. Make sure 3 and 8 are on it. So 3. So now I'm going to have 2 dots. I'm going to put a dot down on 3. I'm going to put a dot down on 8. And since there is a line, an equal sign underneath this inequality symbol, they will both be solid dots. And then I want to show the numbers between 3 and 8. So I'm going to shade in and draw a line between 3 and 8. So this is showing all the numbers between 3 and 8. That's all there is to it. So what if I gave you one like this? Why don't you try that one? Pause the video, give that one a try, graph it out on the number line, and see what you can do, and then come back. Okay? So the first thing I have to do is I have to draw a number line that has negative 2 and 3 on it. So I'll start down here at negative 2, and I go up negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Excuse me. So now, I'm going to put a dot at negative 2, but since there is no equal sign underneath here, it's an open dot. And then I'm going to put a dot at 3. But once again, since there is no equal sign there, it's an open dot. And now I want to show all the numbers between -2 and 3. So I connect those dots because these are all the numbers between -2 and 3. So all we're doing with these problems is showing on a number line where the solutions are for that inequality. Okay? So we've done this for a while now. There are 3 videos on this. This video and then the 2 videos that I posted previously, all on this same topic. So watch this video. Feel free to go back and watch those videos. If you have any questions, email me specific questions about problems in the videos. Mr. Gaudreau, I'm not sure why you're using an open dot on this problem or a closed dot on that problem or anything like that. Email me specific questions and that'll make it easy for me to get back to you. Okay? Have a great day.